By the way, look at this article. It says major number of kids are caused by health issues in India.
Yeah, and I think every page has an article on health. Health is such a leading factor right now, determining everything.
Even the economy.
Yeah.
You know, the other day I was reading this article on the net. It said the maximum number of deaths in India are caused due to diabetes.
I think the population is in millions.
As far as I remember, it was 69.1 million.
That's a huge number. The diabetic life is horrible. Take an example of my mom. Recently, she was suffering from hypoglycemia, low sugar level. In that, a person would eat a chocolate. But the hand shivered so much that she wasn't able to open the chocolate. I cannot imagine if I wasn't there.
That must be so sad. We should do something for diabetics.
Yeah.
See, nowadays everyone uses phones, so why not build an app? That's a good
Yeah.
idea, you know. You know, and these days everyone's like techno savvy, so
Yeah,
we
it's
should.
perfect.
The code of any app involves a huge amount of technical skills. In DDD, there was a great deal of coding which involved intricate technical skills and great analytical aptitude. Coding, you could say, is a backstage activity which especially becomes difficult when you have to store and retrieve data at the same time. It is, after all, difficult to code an app which is for a good cause, which brings to you all facilities and is yet user-friendly. All in all, you could say DDD is a handy app and useful for all diabetics on a large scale.
1 in every 5 people are diabetic in India. Majority of them suffer from hypoglycemia owing to various causes such as delayed intake in food or medicine dosage. Hypoglycemia is a severely debilitating condition that calls for immediate intervention. Dynamic Diabetic Doctor (DDD) allows diabetic people to register themselves and let their near and dear ones know when they are in need. Financially, DDD is economically feasible. This is true from the user's point of view also, as it doesn't cost even a penny to download the app, thereby making DDD a not-for-profit app. Considering the expenditure, we will need to invest a little amount of money to set up stalls to make people aware about our app and further publicize it.
Every successful app is the way it is because of its ability to connect to the public on all grounds. In DDD, we have tried our best to make it user-friendly. Addressing the general public, we will be conducting free sugar level checkups, interacting with people on an extremely personalized scale, and setting up stalls with the help of company tie-ups such as health clinics. As I mentioned before, every flourishing institution has its pillars high up and strong because of its well-balanced and steady foundation. In DDD, the foundation is that of its buzzer feature. All in all, you could say DDD caters or serves to all needs of the user.
Guys, hello! Have you thought about your motto? Like something sweet, salty, good or spicy is the best?
Wait a minute. Why are you behaving so cute? Dude, I can't handle her anymore. Wait, what? Handle? Sweet? Too sweet to handle! So this is how we came up with the motto of Dynamic Diabetic Doctor.